How to crochet this beautiful coaster. I used 4 strands of cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. To CH chain, 12F double crochet, one, two, three. After crocheting 12 double crochets, tighten the loop. Make a slip stitch at the first double crochet. Make 2 chains starting the second round. Then crochet 12 double crochet increases, a total of 24 stitches in the second round. One, two, three, and so on. There are 12 groups, 24 stitches in total. Cut the yarn after crocheting 12 groups. Seamless yarn change. Make a slip stitch at the first stitch. Crochet 2 chains to start the third round. The third round, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increased as a group. Crochet 12 groups, a total of 36 stitches. One, two. I have crocheted 2 groups, 6 stitches. Make a slip stitch at the first double crochet. Crochet 2 chains starting the 4th round. Round for 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet increased as a group. 12 groups, 48 stitches in total. The first stitch. The second stitch. The third stitch. 1 group finished. I have completed 2 groups. 8 stitches here. There are 10 groups left. Make a slip stitch at the first double crochet. Two chains starting the 5th round. The 5th round, 3 double crochets and 1 double crochet increased as a group. Crochet 12 groups, a total of 60 stitches. So far, 1 group has completed. Make a slip stitch at the first double crochet. One chain starting the last round. Leave 1 stitch blank and crochet 5 double crochets in the same stitch on the next stitch. Then leave 1 stitch blank and make a slip stitch at the next stitch. So far, 1 group is completed, occupying 5 stitches in total. There are 11 more groups to be crocheted later. The second group finished. Make a slip stitch at the slip stitch of last round.